What's up, traders? Meron tayong trade for November 12, 2024. Tara, tingnan. So, this is my trade for USD Yen. Simple lang siya, a demand from this area. Okay, tapos nag-dip pullback. Nagkaroon ng continuation, nagkaroon ng consolidation, and then I was entering here, and then nag-take profit ako dito. Okay, so yung chart na yun, this was my executions. My first entry was here. Scale in ako dito, and then I was taking profit around this area. So, this trade resulted on a $278 for the night. Kung paano ko siya nakuha, ayun, is because simple lang. Meron siyang demand around this area. Kumbaga, merong gustong bumili nung particular currency na to, currency pair, and then nag-dip pullback siya dito. So, sabi ko, hindi na siya bumaba. So, ibig sabihin, this is a possible na higher low. Okay? And then, Monday, nagkaroon siya ulit ng demand, and then dito, I was entering here. Nakapag-take profit ako around that area. Okay? So, hope this video helped you out. This is IC Trade Well. Trade good. See you soon.